Hey and welcome to another video in the Mastering JavaScript series. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 5 array methods, and they are push, pop, find, isArray, and sum. Understanding each use cases. Without further ado, let's get started with the first method, which is the push. In JavaScript, the push method is used to add one or more elements to the end of the array and return new length of the array. It mutates the original array by adding specific elements to it. This method is commonly used to dynamically grow an array by appending new values to it. In this easy example, we start at an empty array called fruits, and we use the push to add 3 different fruits to the array one at a time. In this advanced example, we have an array of numbers called numbers. We define a function push squares that take an array and a number n. This function calculates and pushes the square of the numbers from 1 to n to the given array. We then call the push squares with the numbers and 7 as an argument to add the square of the numbers from 1 to 7 to the numbers array. If you want to learn about the for loop and how it does it work, the video link in the description. The second method in the list is the pop method. Use it to remove and return last element from an array. It's mutate the original array by removing the last element. In this easy example, we have an array of colors and use a pop to remove and return the last color from an array. Afterward, we print the removed color and the modified colors array. In this advanced example, we have an array of tasks, each represent an object. We define a function pop_last_task that takes an array as argument, then removes and returns last task from an array. In case where the array is empty, then return null. We then call this function to remove and return the last tasks from the tasks array and print both the removed tasks and the modified tasks array. Next method, the find method, uses it to search for the first element in the array that satisfies with a given condition and return the element. If no element satisfies the condition, it returns undefined. In this easy example, we have an array of numbers, and we use the find to search for the first even number in the array. Since there are no even numbers in this array, the result will be undefined. In this advanced example, we have an array of book objects. We define a function find by book title that take a title as an argument and use a find to search for a book with a matching title in the books array. We then call find book by title 1984 to find a book with a title 1984 and return the result. Fourth method is the array method. Use it to check if the given value is array or not. It's return true if the value is an array, otherwise it's gonna return false. In the easy example, we use isArray to check if the 2 different values, fruits and a number, are arrays or not. It correctly identifies that fruits are an array, while number is not. In this advanced example, we have a function called processArray that takes an argument array. Inside the function, we use isArray function to check if the argument is an array or not. Depending on the result, message gonna be printed to the console to show the result. We then call the function with both array and non-array input. Final method, the sum method, use it to check if at least one element in an array satisfies with the condition. It returns true if at least one element meets the condition, otherwise it can return false. This easy example, we have an array of numbers, and we use the sum method to check if at least one element in the array is even. It's correctly returned true because number 6 is even in the array. In the advanced example, we have an array of user objects, and we use the sum method to check if at least one of them is admin or not. It's returned true because both Elias and David have isAdmin property set to true, indicating that they are admin users. As we wrap up, I would like to express my gratitude for your engagement up to this point. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Also, if you find a value in the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.